Packaging development department in the pharmaceutical industry is the topic for this video. As we are aware that all the pharmaceutical materials, whether these are APIs, drug substances, excipients, finished formulations, or the in-process materials, these are required to be packed properly and these are required to be stored properly so that the materials are in good condition and there is no change in the quality parameters. Packaging development department is the core department of formulation R&D in some of the organizations, and also it is a separate department of R&D in some of the organizations. Packaging development department is related to the development of packaging systems, container closure systems, packaging material finalization, and packaging process for the drug substances and the finished formulations or the drug products. Let's start with the video, and I request you to be with me till the end of this video so that you will have the information and understanding of this topic. So packaging is related to, or packaging system or container closure system is related to the assurance of drug safety and how it assures the drug safety. So by proper packaging and by using proper packaging material or system, the pharmaceuticals can be protected from the environmental conditions, also in the transportation and also during the storage. So packaging system helps to ensure the safety, stability and compliance of the drug substances and the drug products. The packaging development department plays a important and critical role in the designing, testing and validating packaging materials. So suitability of the packaging materials is required to be tested and validated. Also, packaging development department is related to the packaging process development, and this department ensures drug protection, stability and regulatory compliance. This department collaborates with R&D, quality assurance, regulatory affairs, manufacturing and marketing. Nowadays, as per the marketing requirements, many of the times the packaging systems are required to be developed. You might have heard regarding the patient friendly packaging. You might have heard regarding the child resistant packaging, and also you might have learned regarding packaging system development for making the drugs or pharmaceuticals stable and easy to use. Packaging development is not only related in the pharmaceuticals field, it is related to many other fields. And packaging system is the material, or it is the container closure system, or it is the packaging system which holds the drugs and pharmaceuticals. Packaging system also protects the pharmaceuticals during transport. The objectives of packaging development department is to develop safe, efficient and cost-effective packaging solutions for the pharmaceuticals. Also, this department ensures stability and compatibility of the drug formulations with the packaging. Implement regulatory compliant packaging strategies. Nowadays, regulatory authorities are very stringent onto the packaging systems. Also, this department is responsible for innovative and sustainable tamper evident packaging system development. As the drugs required to be safe and effective, and these are required to be used by the patients for the treatment. These are required to be tamper proof or tamper evident. Packaging development department optimize the packaging for manufacturing efficiency and the market appeal as well. Packaging development department develops the packaging for raw materials, in-process materials, and also for the final formulations. So now we'll see the organizational structure of the packaging development department. So this is dependent onto the organization or a pharmaceutical company, and there may be various teams for this department. First is for your easy understanding, I have enlisted here the three type of teams or departments: packaging design and innovation team, then packaging material development team, and packaging testing and validation team. As I have mentioned, packaging research and development department or packaging development department is also responsible to develop the packaging process. Also, this department deals with the query response in the packaging part. Packaging design and innovation team conceptualize the new packaging designs, and they focus on to user-friendly, child-resistant, and smart packaging development. Packaging material development team selects and evaluates packaging materials, and they also conduct the compatibility studies. That means the drug should be compatible with its packaging system, like liquid formulations, injectables. So this packaging material is required to be compatible with the drug product or drug substance. Then packaging testing and validation team performs stability, extractable and leachable studies, ensures compliance with the industry standards. So here, if you think regarding the liquid formulations and injectables or parenterals, mainly the stability, extractable and leachable studies are very crucial. Then regulatory and compliance team helps to align packaging development with ICH, FDA, USP and EMA guidelines and other specific requirements of the regulatory bodies. Also prepares documentation for regulatory submissions. Then packaging commercialization and technology transfer team supports scale up and commercial production. They are responsible for troubleshooting packaging related issues in the manufacturing. The responsibilities of the packaging research and development department, so they are related to the selection of packaging materials like primary, secondary and tertiary materials. Primary materials are those which are in direct contact with the material, drug substance or drug product. Then secondary materials are those which covers the primary material of packaging, and tertiary means these are the final packaging materials. For example, if you are putting tablets into bottle, then bottle is the primary pack, and that bottle if you are keeping into a carton box, that will be a secondary pack, and those cartons are packed into a shipper, that is the tertiary pack. Then evaluation of the barrier properties, what type of material you are going to pack, depending on that different barrier property materials are required to be selected, like moisture, oxygen and light protection requirement. Conducting stability studies in compliance with the ICH guidelines. Then designing artwork and labeling. So ensuring compliance with the regulatory norms is a key role of the packaging development department. Developing anti-counterfeiting and tamper evident solutions. Implementing eco-friendly and sustainable packaging strategies. These are the key roles of the packaging development department. Packaging development process in the pharma. So how the packaging systems are developed, how the packaging R&D works. First is requirement analysis. This department people are involved in understanding product stability, market needs and the regulatory guidelines. Based on that, material selection is done considering the material like glass, plastic, aluminum or paperboard. Then prototype development. In this, Designing and creation of the packaging mockups is done. Compatibility and stability testing is done to evaluate interaction of the packaging system with the drug formulations. And then regulatory approval. They prepare the documentation and they comply with the FDA, EMA, ICS standards like this. Scale up and commercial production, transfer design to manufacturing and optimize the process. Types of the packagings materials used in the pharma. So you might have heard regarding the blisters, bottles, ampoules, sachets, and many others. You might have heard regarding primary packaging, secondary packaging, and tertiary packaging. So primary packaging means it is a material which is in direct contact with the drug. Blister pack, PVC, alu, glass and plastic bottles, ampoules, vials and prefilled syringes are there. Sachets are there. Secondary packaging which hold the primary packaging like cartons, leaflets, inserts. These are the material of secondary packaging. Tertiary packaging is for transport and storage. So boxes are there, corrugated boxes are there, pellets are there, cold chain packaging is there. These are the tertiary packs. Regulatory compliance in the packaging development. So different guidelines and USP chapters are related for the packaging development. ICH Q1A is there, USP chapter 661, 671 and FDA 21 CFR part 211 is there. ISO standards are there. Stability testing is required to be performed at different conditions. So accelerated stability, long-term stability, intermediate stability is required to be performed. Photo stability is required to be performed and transport simulation testing is required to be performed. So I have made many videos on stability testing. So you can go there and watch those videos. Here one point is to understand regarding the transport simulation. So these studies are done to test whether your packaging system is able to hold the uh, packed material and to simulate the transport conditions. In this, drop test is done, vibration test is done, and compression test is done. I will cover this transport simulation studies in a separate video. Then innovations in the packaging systems, smart packagings are there, sustainable packagings are there, tamper evident packagings are there, and patient friendly packagings are there. So child resistant and senior friendly designs are related to the patient friendly package. Now see the what challenges for packaging development. First is material compatibility, compliance with the regulatory standards, supply chain disruptions, and cost are the main challenges. So packaging development is a core department related to the drug safety, stability, compliance, and efficacy. Then packaging is a very important department which provides you the best solutions to pack your products, pack the pharmaceuticals, and protect them from the environmental conditions, transport conditions, and also to improve the stability and shelf life. So this department is a core department and it collaborates with R&D, quality, regulatory, manufacturing, marketing, and many others. Nowadays, there are uh, various opportunities in the packaging development in the pharmaceutical field. Thank you for watching this video and let's meet soon with such kind of informative video. Thank you.